very interesting case. Why did I perform hair transplant for a young patient of 19 years old? I will tell the story later, but right now I'm doing a second hair transplant for patient because I did very conservative treatment for him at 19 years old. So it's been 2.5 years now since I did a hair transplant for him, and I decided he has come back to top up, which I believe that I'll do for him. So this is the second hair transplant which I'm going to focus at the area that I did not do the last time, that is the crown, and of course top up. Top up at the area. Patient, if you look at it, he's got a fantastic donor, and we're going to do a second hair restoration for him. So this case, I'm going to explain shortly why was it that I have done this case, and how I've improved my patient's self-esteem and confidence back to him. So I'd like to slowly tell you all about him. Right now, this is what I've done for the second time, and I will explain shortly. I'd like to thank my patient for giving me so much confidence, and also I'm proud that I have given him like a second life back again, because he was really very emotional about his hair loss. So thank you to my patient, thank you to my staff and everyone for this opportunity, that for me to feel that I'm really a hair restoration qualified doctor who has given so much of happiness to my patient. Thank you so much to my patient, thumbs up to my patient all the way from Johor, and to me, because this is an emotional case.